Okay, installing zone 1 1/4 body lift kit. First you gotta remove the fuel hose. 4 screws are attached inside, or you can remove the whole thing, as you see right here. Then most important step is to remove more screws under the driver's side floor. Okay, you have to uninstall this bracket over here that holds, and reinstalling it. Check it. Then you're gonna remove the fan cover that's attached by 4 screws. Here, 2 on the top and 2 on the bottom. Then you're gonna remove your radiator overflow tank with the hose, put it aside. You're also going to remove the front bumper cover attached by 4 screws on both sides. That's preparation. Okay, when installing the 1 1/4 body lift, we installed 11 1 1/4 spacers located here. One is in there, as you see. One here. One here. And one here. That's the left side. Then you have another one in the middle of the car, and the same process is repeated on the right side of the vehicle. Now to install these bolts, you have to uninstall and reinstall the steering spacer located on the driver's side, obviously. As you see, I can't fucking get off this socket, but everything has been going nice. See you in a second.